Okay, so let us proceed for the second example. So, for the last example rather, for vector differentiation. So we have vector A. Number niya? Number 2, number 3. Okay. Number 3. If you have vector A is equal to asan may ano ko? 5t squared I hat plus tj hat minus t cube hat. Ayan. T cube k hat. Then you have a vector v is equal to sine t I hat minus cosine of t g hat. Okay, yan. So, you have two vector field. Tapos, we are asked to find the dot product, the derivative of the dot product of A and B. Then for the second one, the derivative of the two cross products of A and B. So, for first example, what tayo? The derivative of the dot product of A and B with respect to T. So, paano natin gagawin to? So, yung dot product muna natin to. Since may napapansin kayo, di ba, na walang K na unit vector sa V natin. So, automatically, i-ignore natin to. Matik, kasi sana naman natin siya i-multiply. Di ba wala? Kasi kapag i-multiply mo to negative t cube k hat sa sine t, it will be automatically equivalent to 0. Same goes for this one. So, 0. So, saan pa natin siya i-multiply? Diba? Nothing else kundi, ang i-manipulate lang natin is itong function nito. 5t squared I plus tj hat for v sine ti hat minus cosine tj hat. Okay? Okay. So, what is the product of this one? This is 5t squared sine t. Wala ni I hat. So, is equal to sorry. 5t squared sine t. Next, t times negative cosine of t is equal to t cosine of t. Mawala na yung mga unit vectors. So, ito yung i-differentiate natin. No? So, using the product rule, di ba? Ito yung u, ito yung v. Di ba? If you remember, ito yung u sub 1, v sub 1. Ito naman yung u sub 1, v sub 1. Yeah. If you remember our formula, di ba product rule, u dv plus v du. So, product rule, u dv plus v du. Or the derivative, function of u multiply the derivative of v with respect to t plus v times the derivative of u with respect to t. Okay? So, now, proceed is equal to, what is u? 5t squared. 5t squared multiply to the derivative of v, which is cosine of t. Ayan. So, plus, dito naman tayo, v, kopyahin lang natin, sine t. Tapos, multiply natin sa 5t squared. So, derivative ng 5t squared is equal to 10. Okay. So, isang function pa lang yan. Ito pa lang yan. So, ito yung manipulate ulit natin. Ito. Minus, what is u? T, di ba? T, derivative ng cosine of t is equal to negative sine t. Tapos, plus derivative function of b, cosine of t, tapos multiply natin sa derivative ng t is equal to 1. So, lagay lang natin. Ayan. Tapos, simplify lang natin. Ito, pagsamahin natin. Is equal to 5t squared cosine of t plus ito, 10t sine of t. Tapos ito, distribute natin yung mga itong negative sign. So, magiging t times negative sine t is equal to negative t sine t times negative is equal to positive. Tapos, next is cosine of t times 1 is cosine of t times negative is negative cosine of t. Ngayon, pwede pa tayo pagsamahin ng mga like terms. Ito, pwede. Ito, negative 10t sin t. Tapos, t sin of t. Pwede natin pagsamahin yan. So, the derivative of a dot product of a and b with respect to t is equal to 5t squared cosine of t plus 11t sin t minus cosine of t. So, that is your final answer. If you're going to verify if that is correct, gamitin natin yung rule kanina ng dot product. Ano yung rule na yun? The dot product of A and B with respect to T is equal to A. Dot muna natin sa vector quantity ng B plus derivative ng A with respect to T. Dot naman natin sa B. Ayan. Okay? So, ano yung A? A is 5t squared I hat plus tj. So, huwag natin ito pansinin itong t cube. Okay? So, yung E natin is 5t squared I hat plus t. Tapos, ano yung derivative ng B? Derivative nito, V. That is cosine of t. Yan, cosine of t I hat. Ito, minus, derivative of cosine is negative sine times negative is positive sine t j hat. Ayan. Tapos, plus, derivative ng A. Derivative ng A is equal to 10t plus j, di ba? 10t plus I hat plus j hat. Tapos, mumultiply natin sa derivative ng, multiply lang natin dun sa B, which is sin t I hat minus cosine of t j hat. Yeah. For us to confirm lang naman if tama, diba? Okay, now, ang gagawin naman natin dito is distribute, diba? Parang FOIL method. So, 5t squared I hat, actually, you don't need na i-FOIL method kasi kapag finoil mo tong 5t squared dito, equivalent to sa 0. Same goes for if you're going to FOIL method, yung tj hat dito sa cosine of t is equal to 0 din yan. So, ibig sabihin, ang i-FOIL mo lang is ito, 5t squared tsaka cosine of t, then dito, tj hat, tapos ito negative sine tj hat. So, ibig sabihin, 5t squared times cosine of t is equal to 5t squared cosine of t. Mawala na yung I hat. So, ganyan na lang siya. Tapos, t times negative sine of t is equal to negative t sine of t. Okay? Plus, ito, 10t I hat times sine t I hat is equal to 10t plus 10t sine t. Okay? Tapos, ito, negative cosine of t plus times j hat is equal to negative cosine t j hat. Ay, wala na pala to. Sorry. Cosine of t na. So, what would be our final answer? So, final answer would be 5t squared cosine of t. Ito, pag pinagsama mo to ilan? Magiging 9. Tama? Bakit dito 11? So, i-recheck lang natin kung anong mga pagkakamali. Tama naman dito. So, supposedly, that this should be your answer, 11t sin t. However, pagdating dito, check lang natin maigi ha. Derivative ng A. Okay. Nakita ko na yung mali. So, dito, diba derivative ng B, The derivative of sine t is equal to cosine of t. Now, the derivative of cosine is equal to negative sine, di ba? Negative times negative is positive. This should be positive. So, dapat ito is positive din as well. Okay? So, magiging plus 11t sine t minus cosine of t. So, same lang tayo nag-cap up doon sa answer is equal to derivative of. Okay? So, yan. Dalawang method yung sinolve natin for you to be able to see na halos parehas lang siya ng method. Ito, ginamitan na natin ng formula base. Ito, ginamit muna natin is dot product muna. After makuha natin yung dot product ng A at B, saka natin i-differentiate with respect to T. Ayan. So, for our next example, i-cross product naman natin to, tapos saka differentiate. So, i-post ko lang muna yung video. See you!